Now, as for continuation, I was interested in how flexible the main design concept can be in different scenarios. In this case, I was following Henry's design with Hanush's, who is a bulkier, physically bigger guy. Now, how should that be depicted in the same style? Well, as you can see, for the first try, I instantly went overboard with scaling and proportions. Even though I liked the outcome, it didn't fit to the finger design concept. I needed more nuanced solution here, made it more curvy, but still kept the limitations of the main frame. For the third character, I chose Theresa, a female. She was way easier to figure out as she is a she, and female body has obvious differences from the male ones. It's curvier, has this H-shaped nature to it, also comes from the same place as Henry, a common simple people, so that visually can be also easily depicted, and this way Henry and Theresa are identical concept-wise. Next one is Sir Redzi Kobila. Now he is only interesting because of his hair and the weirdly dangerous looking outfit he has that features different crazy visual elements. It's more complicated than the previous characters had. That gives the challenge of what to transfer to the finger design and what to leave out, as of course not everything is needed, only the ones that help identifying him easily. Now probably the golden belt he has wasn't necessary, but I will probably still keep it in the final design later. We will see. The final character from the first tryouts of the Fingerz design is Sir Divish. Another guy, I was really interested in him because being old gives extra features to the visuals. The skin gets drastically wrinkled, face features get more detailed, so he is one of those more interesting type of characters I was really interested in to reiterate in this style. So this was the first chapter of the KCD Fingerz design. Bear in mind that anything shown here is not finalized. They will most definitely be different as I finish them. So more to come, stay tuned. Naskle.